What's going on, my hardworking people out there? I really hope y'all having a blessed day, and make sure y'all hug y'all loved ones to stay warm in this cold weather. Also, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe so y'all can see more of our work. Thank y'all and have a great day. So we're gonna go back to this job by anchoring a framing wall out of 2x4s in the garage to eliminate that small step in the garage and turn it into a flush and even wall. Here, I got in the attic to make sure I wasn't hitting no pipelines or wires and to confirm where my beams were gonna be at. Once I had that going, I leveled all my leg studs to 16 inches in the center. We also had to convert the old outlets into a junction box to extend for a flush wall. Here, we already taped, floated, and textured the wall and finished it with one coat of primer. And I just want to thank all my hardworking people that watched till the end.